Google just turned NotebookLM into one of the most powerful free AI tools on the entire planet, and almost nobody is talking about how big this actually is. It now generates full cinematic videos from your documents. It runs autonomous deep research that pulls from across the web. It's powered by Google's brand new Gemini 3.5 Flash model, and the free tier is still genuinely free. Stick around because I'll break down every major upgrade, exactly what each one does, and the one feature most people are completely sleeping on. If you've never touched NotebookLM, here's the quick version. It's a free AI tool made by Google. You create a notebook, you drop in your sources, websites, PDFs, YouTube videos, audio files, Google Docs, anything, and NotebookLM reads all of it. Then it turns that knowledge into content. Podcasts, videos, slide decks, mind maps, infographics, flashcards, quizzes, reports, all grounded in your sources so it doesn't hallucinate random stuff. It only knows what you give it. That part is genuinely important. For a long time, NotebookLM was kind of a hidden gem. Smart people used it, most people ignored it. That just changed. Let's start with the biggest one. NotebookLM is now powered by Gemini 3.5 Flash, Google's newest model that just dropped at I/O 2026. This matters way more than it sounds. Gemini 3.5 Flash beats Google's older Gemini 3.1 Pro on multiple benchmarks. We're talking Terminal Bench, MCP Atlas, Finance Agent, the works. And it runs roughly 4 times faster than the previous model. What that means in real life is your notebooks generate content faster, the answers feel sharper, and the AI handles way more complex sources without getting confused. If you've used NotebookLM before and thought it was a little slow or a little surface level, that's not the case anymore. The brain got a serious upgrade. Next big one is deep research, and this is the upgrade that actually changed what NotebookLM even is. Before this, NotebookLM only knew what you gave it. You uploaded sources, it worked with them, end of story. Now, deep research turns NotebookLM into an actual agentic researcher. You give it a topic, you hit go, and it goes out across the web on its own. It pulls sources, reads them, synthesizes them, and comes back with a fully citation-backed report. That's a massive shift. NotebookLM went from being a passive document reader to an active research agent that hunts down information for you. Think about what that means for your workflow. You used to spend hours scrolling through articles, copying snippets, fact-checking everything. Now you describe what you want to know, walk away, and come back to a structured report with citations. The hours that saves are real. Now this next one is the showstopper. NotebookLM can now generate full cinematic video overviews, powered by Google's VO3 video model. We're not talking about basic slide-style videos with text on a colored background anymore. These are actual cinematic clips, real visuals, real motion, real production value, generated automatically from your documents. Drop in a research paper, NotebookLM turns it into a polished explainer video. Drop in a business plan, it turns it into a pitch-style visual. Drop in a long article, it turns it into a short documentary-style clip. The implications for creators, marketers, educators, and anyone making content online are genuinely massive. You're producing video content in minutes that would have taken you days or required a whole production team before. One honest note though, cinematic video overviews are currently locked to Google AI Ultra subscribers. So the free version doesn't get the full cinematic experience. But standard video overviews are still free, and they're way better than they used to be. The fourth upgrade is one that almost nobody is talking about, and honestly, it might be the most useful one for serious work. NotebookLM now turns your sources into structured data tables. So instead of just summarizing a long document, it can pull out specific information and organize it into clean, queryable tables. Imagine you upload 10 research papers about a topic. Old NotebookLM would give you a summary. New NotebookLM gives you a data table comparing methodologies, findings, authors, dates, and key conclusions across all 10 papers, all side by side. Same with product comparisons, customer interviews, financial reports, anything that has comparable data buried inside long text. This single feature turns NotebookLM from a content creation tool into a real analytical workhorse. If you do research, market analysis, or anything data heavy, this changes how you work. Now let me talk about pricing, because this changed too at I/O 2026, and there's some confusion floating around. Google just reshuffled the AI Ultra plan completely. The old single $249.99 a month Ultra plan got replaced with two new tiers: a $99.99 a month entry plan and a $200 a month top plan, which is actually a $50 drop from the old top tier. Inside NotebookLM, those map to what Google calls the 20 terabyte plan and the 30 terabyte plan, with different caps on sources per notebook, daily chats, video overviews, and deep research reports. But here's the thing most people miss. The free tier is still free, and it's still incredibly powerful. You can do most of what we just talked about: deep research, standard video overviews, data tables, Gemini 3.5 Flash, without paying a cent. The paid tiers just lift the limits and unlock the highest end features like cinematic video and bigger quotas. So here's why all of this together is such a big deal. NotebookLM started life as a document chat tool. You drop in some files and ask it questions. That was it. Now look at what it is. It's an agentic researcher that hunts the web. It's a cinematic video generator. It's a structured data analyzer. It's a podcast maker. It's a slide deck builder. It's running on one of Google's newest and fastest models, and the core experience is still free. That's a complete category shift. NotebookLM isn't really a notebook tool anymore. It's basically a full research and content production platform sitting inside one product. Most people are still thinking of it as the thing that makes those AI-hosted podcasts. They're missing what it actually is now. So here's the takeaway. NotebookLM just transformed from a quiet little research tool into one of the most powerful free AI platforms on the market. It's now powered by Gemini 3.5 Flash. Deep research lets it hunt the web on its own. Cinematic videos via VO3 generate real production quality content. Data tables turn unstructured documents into analyzable information. And the free tier is still free. If you haven't opened NotebookLM in the last few months, you genuinely don't know what it is anymore. Go open it today, drop in one source, try deep research, or generate a video overview. I promise you'll be shocked by how far it's come. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next AI tool breakdown, and drop a comment telling me which upgrade you're most excited to try. Deep research, cinematic videos, data tables? Let me know. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.